Managing agent workloads with auto-assignment rules can drastically streamline your processes and reduce inefficiencies. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up auto-assignment rules to help distribute work evenly across your agents, so you can keep your team performing at their best. First, let's talk about what auto-assignment rules are and why you need them. These rules allow you to automatically assign tasks or tickets to agents based on specific criteria, like availability, skill level, or workload. It saves time and ensures that no one gets overloaded or underutilized. It's a game changer if you're looking to optimize your team's performance. Now, to set up auto-assignment rules, you'll need to start by navigating to the settings area of the software we're using. You'll usually find this in the automation or workload management section. From there, you'll be able to define the criteria that are important for your team, like workload balancing, priority levels, or expertise needed for the task. Once you're in the right section, you can start creating the rule. Most systems will have a simple step-by-step guide for you to follow. You'll need to define the conditions under which the rule triggers. For example, you can create a rule that automatically assigns tasks to an agent if they're not already assigned to another task, or if the priority level matches their skill set. The key here is to set it up in a way that ensures workload distribution without creating new bottlenecks. Next, it's time to test the rule you've created. Before fully implementing it, run a few scenarios to make sure tasks are being assigned as expected. Monitor your agent's response time and performance to see if there's a noticeable improvement or if any adjustments are needed. If you find that one agent is still overloaded or another isn't getting enough tasks, tweak the settings accordingly. Another important consideration when managing agent workloads is setting up fallback rules. If an agent reaches their max capacity, the task can be redirected to another available team member. This ensures that no task gets left behind and that everything continues moving forward. Once the rules are in place and tested, your team can work more efficiently, with tasks being distributed evenly based on real-time conditions. The best part? These auto-assignment rules are scalable. So as your team grows, the process remains seamless. To wrap things up, the key takeaway from today is that managing agent workloads with auto-assignment rules helps you optimize your team's efficiency by ensuring tasks are distributed evenly and intelligently. Remember to define your criteria carefully, test your setup, and always monitor how things are running to make adjustments as needed. Before I go, don't forget to check the description for an exclusive free trial of the software we used today. You can follow along with this tutorial and get a hands-on feel for how auto-assignment rules can work for your team. To quickly recap, we covered setting up your rules, testing them, and monitoring the results. This will help you keep agent workloads balanced and improve team performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to grab that free trial if you want to start automating today.